Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the ELLESSE MASSELLO sneaker. Before we get into the review, guys, if you are new to our channel, or if this is the first time you're watching, hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell, and you'll never miss any of our latest reviews. With that said, let's get into this review. And this is like the first time we're looking at, to me, really nostalgic company brand, ELLESSE, that's how you pronounce it. It is an Italian company, and from what I've heard, what I've been told, I believe that the owner of ELLESSE, the founder, forgive me, he named ELLESSE after his daughter. So that is why it's pronounced that way. Countless times we've, like, I'm not sure about other countries, but here in England, ELLESSE was like huge in the 90s, and there's always been a strong like argument or a massive debate on how to pronounce the names, but I'm here to help you, and it's pronounced ELLESSE. With that said, we've got the MASSELLO sneaker, and we've got this in a UK size 8, and the colorway that it's in, it is a blue and red trim, and the overall color is white. Unfortunately, there's no size conversion on this label, because we got this from ASOS, and it was 80 quid. So for what you're getting, I think that's good still for a dad sneaker that I will show you right now. There it is. As I mentioned, you got that dad sneaker vibes, and obviously that I'd like to think that the trend is going to die down. It's going to die down soon, but I keep seeing it everywhere on Instagram and all the fashion blogs that the very fashionable like fashion bloggers are still wearing like your dad sneakers. And if you are interested in any of the other dad sneakers that we've looked at, you know, just click here. And we've looked at like the New Balance 990s, we've looked at the Adidas Oswegos, and we've had a look at some Yeezys. So whatever takes your fancy, you can look up at our past videos. But today we're looking at this ELLESSE MASSELLO sneaker, and we'll start with the outsole. And this outsole is all rubber, like a lot of herringbone traction right there, big branding of the ELLESSE. And if you move into the midsole, it's a whole fine-on midsole, really nice. That's good, that proper cushioning you'll find in a lot of other sneakers. Nike use Phylon on like their Flyknit races, and other brands use Phylon as well. I remember Reebok do as well. If we go along the upper, so you got a lot of the like this medial part, well, the part that covers the majority of the sneaker. It's a textile upper, feels like nylon, but I can assure you it's all man-made. There's nothing leather about it. But you've got like little hits of leather on the outlay here at the mudguard and at the heel counter, and at the lacing as well. It's got all this leather paneling. Big branding right there on the lateral side where you've got the ELLESSE and its little logo. And if we go towards the back at the heel, you can see the logo right there. To me, I think this is on the cusp, still there at a dad sneaker vibe. Still, you're going to see a lot of fashion trendy people trying to bring this like 90s nostalgia back. So you've got brands like ELLESSE, Kickers, Diodora. They're still going to be about all these like Italian brands that a lot of like Brits were wearing in the 90s. And before I round it off, let's just show you the padding on the tongue. It's really nice, it's very soft, and you've got the ELLESSE pull tab there on the tongue with the branding underneath this plastic covering. And yeah, like I mentioned about the 90s nostalgia, like you got that trend, how everything is recycled, so everything is in regards to what brands people are wearing, not essentially you know, the materials used on this. But yeah, 90s culture is coming back in strong force. I'm so happy to see that happen, because I was like brought up in the 90s. So it's really cool to see all these big brands coming back up. I can't wait to try these sneakers on, to show you what it looks like with, well, I'm wearing these Champion kind of ripstop pants. So you're gonna see it. Here we go. Cool guys, just want to mention that these squeak a bit more, but it is really comfy on. There's like nothing really like pressing against my feet, and I feel very tall because of that nice chunky sole vibe, and you get that like I've got a nice cool 90s retro feel as well because I'm wearing very loud trousers, I was what you'd say. Easy to lace on as well, easy, nice, normal lacing system, and it fits really well. For sizing, go true to size in whatever footwear you wear, so be that your Nike size, Reebok, whatever, go to that size. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Till next time, peace.